Meraki provides various search functions to help users quickly locate the information they need. Here we are on our switch device page. To perform a search of switches, enter the name of the switch in the search bar beneath. To filter the devices, click the downward arrow and select your switch by status, tags, or device type. To add columns, click on the wrench to the right. Here you can select the attribute that you would like to add to the table. To perform a search of switch ports, enter the name of the switch port in the search bar. To filter switch ports, click the downward arrow and select the switch port by device. Here, you can filter by switch, by the stack, by port number, VLAN, as well as user-defined tags. You can also select switch ports by toggling these buttons right here.